Hey everyone, welcome back to One More Guru. In this video, I'll walk you through how to purchase a domain from Hostinger step by step. First, sign into your Hostinger account. You can log in with Google if you prefer. Once you're inside the dashboard, look at the menu on the left and click on Domains. It will expand and show options like Domain Portfolio, Get a New Domain, and Transfers. Click on Get a New Domain. Now, enter the domain name you want to buy. You can choose from different extensions like .com, .net, or .io. After searching, Hostinger will display the availability and price. If you're happy with it, click Add to Cart. Next, select how many years you want to register the domain for, then click Continue to checkout. You'll see the total price before payment. Click Choose Payment Method, and you'll be able to pay using a credit or debit card, PayPal, Google Pay, or Apple Pay. Enter your payment details and complete the purchase. After buying the domain, you'll need to complete the registration process. Choose whether the domain is for personal use, a company, or an organization, and select your country. Then fill in your contact details and click Finish Registration. Make sure all the information is accurate, since your email and phone number may be used to verify ownership. Incorrect details could cause issues with your domain. Once everything is verified, your domain will be successfully registered and ready to use. I hope this helped. Don't forget to like and subscribe to One More Guru, and I'll see you in the next video.